Manipuri boxer MC Maricom thumbs Ukraine's Hannah Okota boxing championship title for an unprecedented sixth time. Scuffles break out at Indo-Myanmar border village Holenphai as massive Myanmar army try to halt construction of a house in the village. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit flags off bike rally to Myanmar as part of ongoing Manipur Sangai Festival 2018. Two-day international friendly football exhibition match between Manipur and Myanmar. Women footballers will begin at Kuman Lampak main stadium tomorrow. Minister Karam Sham inaugurates essential oil distillation plant, vermicomposting unit and liquid deodorant transfer technology at CSIR NEIST Lampilpat. And Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister T.H. Shyamkumar opens first ever two-day Manipur Kiwi Fruit Festival at Purul Akutpa village of Senapati district. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Legendary Manipuri boxer Maricom beat Ukraine's Hannah Okota in the final to win the gold medal in the 48 kg category at the IBA Women's World Boxing Championship in New Delhi's KD Jadhav Indoor Stadium this evening. Mary thumped Okota by unanimous decision 5-0 verdict to win the title for an unprecedented sixth time. Cheered on by the partisans fans in the capital, MC Maricom blew away her Ukrainian counterpart in 3 rounds to take the crown. Mary now takes the top spot in the list of most world championship title victories. Before this, Mary was tied with Ireland's Katie Taylor with 5 titles each. But now Mary is in the league of her own with 6 gold medals in the year 2002, 2005, 2006, 2008, 2010 and 2018. In total, Mary has now won 7 medals at World Championships, and this is also a tournament record. The 35-year-old Manipuri, a mother of 3, won silver in the first edition, followed by 5 gold in successive World Championships from 2002 to 2010, and now this latest gold in 2018. Scuffles erupted at Holenphai village located near Indo-Myanmar border pillar 76 as Myanmar army crossed the border and interrupted construction of a house in the village. The Myanmar army tried to halt the construction, claiming the area is belonging to Myanmar around 7 this morning. The Myanmarese army retreated only after intervention by personnel of 11th Assam Rifles. It is reported that later again, massive Myanmarese army approached at water supply reservoir near Holenphai village. Irate villagers even blocked the roads in condemnation at such frequent intrusion and threat by the Myanmar army. Upon getting information, More police team led by OC Letko Hau Waife immediately rushed at the spot and kept a strict vigil in the area. ADC More B. Bankim, commanding officer of 11th Assam Rifles, RS Rawat, SDPO Sandip Gopal Das and other officers later joined the police team to contain the situation. Despite all the hassles, construction of the house continues without a hitch. The security personnel have been urging the villagers to cease the construction, but they are undeterred, asserting that the land belongs to Manipur. Residents of Kwakaitel, Thongnaujam Laikai adjoining Sagolband and Patsoi constituencies have blocked a passage in the area against non-maintenance of the road for a long time. A protester intimated that locals of Kwakaitel, Thongnaujam Laikai made repeated pleas for repairing the road to relevant officials and MLAs of both Sagolband and Patsoi constituencies, but no actions are taken till date. The residents intimated that they decided to block the road to avoid any unwanted eventuality owing to the deplorable condition of the road.
Honorable Minister Ani se hojik kari bani ka basina su sagom ban longbina su tabi dere pasoina su tabi dere aduna moi ani na Loktana dana laire thika dar pibira ko matam da su moigi wakar sing de thika pibira kanu atopa wakar atopa thika dar ahiba da pibira o moigi wakar na pibira adi phajana su sembi de mamang da semami koilas tharami tha ama makhai gak chali loin kai dan loire.
Works Minister Thongam Biswajit has flagged off a bike rally to Myanmar as a part of the ongoing Manipur Sangai Festival 2018 today. The 8-member bike rally team flagged off from Hotel Imphal in North AOC will pass through Kalaimo, Monwa, Mandalay, Inle Lake, Bagan, Yangon and finally return to Imphal on December 5. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Thongam Biswajit stated that the motorcycle rally participated by bikers from other states will help in nation building and emotional integration. He maintained that the government has been organizing international level Manipur Sangai Festival with an aim to promote state tourism potential and to expose the state's unique cuisines, handlooms and handicraft products, art and culture to the rest of the world. He asserted that the motorcycle rally affirms the success of India's Act East policy, initiated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi with a vision to develop Northeast India. Minister Thongam Biswajit assured of making the motorcycle rally grander next year by ensuring participation of more bikers from various parts of the country.
India se apun bani aduga amana mateng pangna gadabani aduga akhoi northern India da wariba leiriba mong sing su moina khangbiraga makoina chauna akhoi information ama ada yohole har kanda akhoi na haron jing punba hore aduna matungi laka generation da akhoi amatta oina strengthen tawgani aduga northern India se maruina India chawkhot pada chauna mateng pangna gidam ta akhoi chawkholan badar ka lei hai Bharat ki prime minister na look age policy da ki age policy la ko matam da akhoi human relationship chagalak pa post da akhoi gi leiriba ngasi gi biker mayam sing chauba akhoi phawr ga chapa matam se da India mainland ki shaure aduga northern state ki punna lakpa je sina chauba akhoi initiation aduga masina promotion tawba aduga age policy se masigi kano orekna bo khona da chauba mating musu pi gane na.
Team leader of the motorcycle rally, Murphy, believed that the trip organized by Pack the Bag as a part of Manipur Sangai Festival will promote tourism of the state. Mentioning that tourists in other parts of the country are provided facilities for hiring bikes, Murphy opined that Manipur, which is a gateway to Southeast Asian countries, with the opening of India's Act East policy, should also provide facilities for hiring motorbikes and guides so that tourists can visit these countries by bikes. Murphy urged people of the state and especially biking enthusiasts to seize the opportunity. Bikers from Nagaland, Nepal, Assam, Pune and Punjab are in the motorbike rally team.
Northeast lakpa mi khaise ngasai gi akhoi mateng pangaga lakpa si yam koire foreigners oitar zu moina ngasai Myanmar cross tor ga chatpa matamda natraga lambi da awana akhoi gi remote area myam da phawda adu myam chu mateng pangaga lakcha ba akhoi na Myanmar da changma matamda moi gi guide ama yaw joga di akhoi je changba da ya da bu maina akhoi gi Northeast su kana gu mana Northeast visit tawning ta ga di local guide am loina bi hai ta ga di akhoi gi state ta magi intermin masa laijariba company macha myam hingba ya bagi pot oi bi aduga like Manali Himalayan da tawnari ba sumaina akhoi gi da bike renting laita ga di foreigners myam am ju laga Southeast Asian country myam se adum cover tawba ya bagi sigi kano se oini na khanjai.
The two-day international friendly football exhibition match between Manipur, Sagaing and Mandalay women footballers will kick off at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium tomorrow. Speaking to media, State Convener of Act East Policy Committee R.K. Shivachandra has appealed for massive support for the entry-free matches organized as a part of Manipur Sangai Festival's Indo-Myanmar Friendship Project. Assuring of impressive matches by Manipur 11A, B, Mandalay 11 and Sagaing 11, he also disclosed that All Manipur Football Association is including as many Manipuri international women footballers as possible in the squads to avoid the humiliating defeat of last year. Sagaing's Chief Minister Dr. Min Nyang, his 3 cabinet ministers and other Myanmarese officials will be witnessing the matches tomorrow. Meanwhile, the Indo-Myanmar Sangai Business Meet 2018 is scheduled on November 26 at Classic Grant in Chingmairong, which will be attended by Chief Minister of Jagaing region of Myanmar, Dr. Min Nyang, Chief Minister Nongtong Biren, Korean and European businessmen. Convener R.K. Shivachandra, who is taking an active role in organizing the events, asserted that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren have made all-out efforts to put India's Act East policy into action. He urged businessmen and entrepreneurs to take part in the summit.
Tang kun manga amadi kun taruk tawdori basida Manipur gi leibak miyamna singba sanababu yokhat piba pambiba amadi leiba ani sibu nuksinaba pambiba mayamna loina lengbiraga gallery si full loina mayam se punna untang yengbinanaba appeal tawjaningi tang kun taruk ta tawgadoriba yamna effective oiba akoi hek rumlona bada lairiba jagang state se sigi khwaidagi important oiba businessman loin yawba sidadi isana business taw biningba mayam border hangak pasig loina akoi kari tawdaino ni yam toina hangba wahangdo numisida khagbiru lao chief minister ani khwaidagi effective oiba wale pangamba khwaidagi chawbu mi ani yauna minister mayam yauna tawgadoriba sugma business summit sida Manipur go trade amadi sanabagi maram culture gi maram kya khanagadoriba se it is a very good sign.
CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham has inaugurated newly constructed essential oil distillation plant, vermicomposting unit and liquid deodorant transfer technology at CSIR, Northeast Institute of Science and Technology campus in Lamphel today. Speaking in the inaugural event held at CSIR Conference Hall, Minister Karam Sham stated that it is a waste if youths in the state are not eager to take up enterprises when the government is ready to provide resources for entrepreneurship like lands, finance, marketing facility, etc. He said not getting government jobs is not the end of the world and that hard work pays off. Karam Sham encouraged youths to avail opportunity of various governmental policies and schemes for a sustainable livelihood. He asserted that it would be wrong to imply that there is no source of livelihood in Manipur, as the state is home to 500 variants of medicinal plants. He also called on CSIR to aware the youths on how to extract medicines out of these medicinal plants available in the state. Minister Karam Sham assured of all possible assistance to youths who are genuinely willing to take up enterprises. Chief Scientist of CSIR NEIST Jorhat, Dr. Pinaki Sengupta also attended the event.
Manipur da thabak tawgena khallaga dine thabak tawam yamna laiko aise wa ngang kanda kaim kanda soiba yawge tawdana hit ngang panina imi pastor ga bu yu ngaur ga leine jwar sanar ga pukhi pan da phamini karai de ge adu da di kari development la kani kaidu le ge ba tamuri be imi mayam da kok to sin no ba laipak si chokphun adam khallo thabak tawbagi lamju piragi haraba maram jana thabak dubu tawgadoragadi thabak tawnanabagi working capital su leiraba puthoraiba product tu su yonbagi wafam leiraba ada Manipur gi naharol singna tholaga thabak suningdragadi adum kanade.
Family members of a deceased patient have accused one general surgeon at CJ hospitals of negligence leading to the patient's death. The deceased is identified as Laishram Medi, wife of Seram Dorendro from Bamon Lekai. Speaking to media at his residence today, Seram Dorendro intimated that his wife consulted the doctor for gallstone problem. He alleged the doctor of misleading the family for performing just one operation instead of two, putting the life of the patient at risk. He said his wife was taken to Guwahati and then to Delhi's Gangaram hospital to check up her deteriorating condition, and it was revealed that her duodenum was ruptured. He said his wife died on November 15 due to prolonged split of duodenum. Dorendra intimated that when the doctor at Shiza hospital was approached to inquire what went wrong with the surgery, the doctor responded that her duodenum must have been cut by mistake while taking out the gallbladder. Condemning such negligence by a doctor, Dorendra appeals to be aware of such doctors in the state.
Guwahati da sidi amta da tawroi gastro na hana endoscopy tawraga madugi poto hana lawtho kanda ma karim tawdubra hana numini yengadi adu madungda general surgeon na lab koli to gallbladder lawthok ni hai ma general surgeon na itaje gastro na te adu bo akhoina di doctor se Lagi hek mathang ne na thajaru bane aigi nupi do mi amna khani yeng poda ina heart ke do bane adubu ai doctor se lai magni na sinagi bane adubu mana madu da hagi budo ai ngasi hoji ju ningjang ye sigum se ai nong da kungi mathak operation tawge.
JSC, formed in relation to missing of Kundongbam Doren from Nachau Kha Lekai, has called off the band along Tidim Road tomorrow after following an agreement with Bishnupur District Police. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on one-day entrepreneurship development program organized by skilled traders of Senapati. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Chairman of Autonomous District Council Senapati District ML Markson has expressed discontentment that the present state government does not deliver what it promises. He was speaking during a one-day entrepreneurship development program organized by skilled traders of Senapati at DRDA Hall in Senapati today. The program, held on the theme Self-Reliance and Sustainable Development through Entrepreneurship, was jointly sponsored by Salai Holdings Private Limited and UNESCO Club Manipur. Speaking further, ML Markson mentioned that 4 people died in Senapati during last year's incessant rains. He criticized the government for providing compensation to only 2 victims. He also condemned that repeated pleas to the concerned department for holding medical camp for differently abled persons at Lai village in the border of Nagaland, 100 km away from Senapati, went to deaf ears and no actions are taken till date. Financial advisor of Edelweiss Tokyo multinational company cum joint Secretary of UNESCO Club Manipur, Dr. Thokchom Chandramani, gave resourceful insights on finance management in the program. Chairman ADC Senapati ML Markson also inaugurated a training center named JP Institute of Craft and Design at Skilled Traders Office on the occasion.
Salary entrepreneur Kambosi Magoina sponsor Tauraga, Asumina Senapati the Su, Chaukamina the Vayade, Haiguna, Sumina, Tobiba, and the sea. Government and government of the Patu.
A quick quite more said, human resource level. Pasha the Maram Charaga, Sweden Lakani, Maram the Kari Sukjana, 1 crore 80 lakhs, Samba. Adugumba sumo wrestling ama Salai Holding Private Limited amadi Smart Society na karigi purakbung amli bino Manipur sigati kita bingam mo dino ngammeba adubu karigi ta magda dori mioi bana tawbung ngamda thaba amata laite adubu thajaba haibase yamna dakar oi adugi thajaba do leiba taragidi one day we will overcome.
Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister T.H. Shyamkumar has inaugurated the first ever 2-day Manipur Kiwi Fruit Festival at Puru Akutpa village in Senapati district today. Senapati Producers Organization of Organic Kiwi Fruit, SPOOK, organized the festival. Speaking in the inaugural event, Minister T.H. Shyamkumar asserted that holding of various appropriate festivals in both hills and valley provides employment opportunities to youths in the state. He believed that the first Kiwi festival will instill work culture among Kiwi farmers in the state. The minister also assured to construct water reservoir and take up necessary measures for conserving forests in Purul Akutpa. He also assured to consult the relevant department for repairing the road from Maram to Purul without further delay. Minister T.A. Shyamkumar also inaugurated a rural market shed constructed under Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture Scheme under the Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation.
Among the Parliament government, government's work is a continuous process. And the Honorable Shri Ed Biren, Chief Minister, Magil Singh Makata, and the government go to village directly to meet the farmers of the different villages of the different variety of the fruits and vegetables which are grown in different places. Have a team that we know Salakanda, my Mr. Kiwi Festival, it looks very small, but its central idea is very big, very high.
An anti-poaching campaign cum awareness was jointly organized by Tobul Youth Club, Global Science Club, Koijuman, POSGAT Tinungay Biodiversity Management Committee Nacho under the supervision of Bishnupur Forest Division today. The campaign aims to raise awareness against poaching of wildlife in and around Loktak Lake at Pochangbam, Nacho, Taubul, Pukrambam, Sanjembam and Ningthaukhong Tinungay. Speaking in the event, a range officer of Bishnupur Forest Division S. Ratan Kumar warned poachers of 3 years in jail and a fine of up to 25,000 rupees under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Volunteers and staff of various organizations working for safeguarding wildlife attended the event. Millennium Institute of Sciences accorded a warm reception to cyclist Rohan Philem at its campus in Kwaketil, Mayaikoibi today. Rohan cycled all the way from Sharda University in Noida, Uttar Pradesh since October 16, covering a total distance of 3,500 kilometers, passing through 12 states till his final destination at Kaibul Lamjao, spreading the message of safe Sangai and humanity. School management presented financial aids to Rohan on the occasion. The Cultural Forum Manipur and Sahitya Academy jointly organized a one-day seminar on a critical assessment on various forms of Manipuri literature at Manipur Hindi Parishad Old Assembly Road today. Speaking in the event, eminent scholar of Manipuri literature E. Dinamani stressed the need to hold such seminars frequently in the state in the wake of changing trend of Manipuri society, which is often reflected in the literature. Wife of Chief Minister N. Biren N. Hiainu inaugurated an art exhibition entitled Art Meets Fashion at Ningtibi Building, Nagamapal, Kangjabi, Machin today. The exhibition, organized by Kai and Event Management Unit of Ningtibi, will continue till November 30. Delhi-based contemporary artist Dilip Oinam's paintings will be displayed during the exhibition. Renowned Manipuri fashion designer Silex Ngairangbam's designed collections will also be displayed in the exhibition.
Artside the Ngao has a documented Ngao with the Loizarabani, Adu Loiraba Misina Musumu, Mana Musu Pondo Pomatam the D, Masana Pondo Pomatam the D, Equigi, Karamahina Pondoka the Hibamatamda, Magi artist to gi, Kutuna Tolapa, Mayek to Adubuni Mana, Siputoxa Divasiso, Art the Ngauba, Fesan the Ngauba, Ngauba Kudimaxin Semasagi creative Wayna Lizaba, Ming Hatani. Artside
Writer Ingoba Chongtham's book entitled Otpi Nebiraba Singna Ningtam Kongjang Sagat Chanabagi Bigyan, published by Patriotic Writers Forum, was released at Kombire in Uripok Sinamlaikai Rims Road today. Speaking in the event, renowned columnist Salam Tomba highlighted on the contents of the book. A symposium entitled Manipurgi Rajniti Da Hingshagi Pambai, Manipuri Literature Da Tariba Mami was also held on the occasion. ITM University Gwalior has conferred the honorary degree of Doctor of Letters to renowned theatre personality and chairman of Chorus Repertory Theatre Ratan Thiam. Chancellor of ITM University handed over the degree during the university's third convocation ceremony held today. It may be mentioned that Ratan Thiam was conferred with Doctor of Letters degree by Rabindra Bharati University in 2008, Guwahati University in 2010 and Utkal University of Culture, Odisha in 2017. Eminent Khol and Manoharshai artist Guru Hanjabam Kunjo Sharma passed away at 87 in his residence at Wangkai Ningthem Pukrimbapal due to an illness on November 22nd. Manipur State Kala Academy Scholarship and Fellowship awardee Guru Hanjabam Kunjo also bagged Maharaja Nara Singh Award 2001 in Khol. He was selected as Khol first guest guru at Manipur University of Culture in 2016. The Khol Grade B approved guru also taught Khol and Manipuri Manoharshai to many youths. Guru Hanjabam Kunjo was a founder member and Pradhan Guru of Manipur Manoharshai Ashram Imphal, established in 1990. Staffs of Manipur State Hajj Committee, Department of the Minority Affairs, Government of Manipur organized a reception program for its recently appointed chairperson Maulana Abdus Salam and other members at Old High Court Complex in North AOC today. Speaking on the occasion, the chairperson appeals to fellow members for their cooperation in undertaking various tasks of the committee. Maulana Abdus Salam also appeals to the staff to value time in discharging their duties. Chairperson of Manipur State Minority Commission, Dr. Said Barahanuddin, Member Secretary of MOBET, K.H. Dinesh Chandra, and Executive Officer of Manipur State Hajj Committee, MCS Muhammad Yasser Ahmad Khan, attended the event.
I level the number for no Istava Nova, I honey, Matuki Tai Logani, Lai of Kunai Tabaki, no in a suit of that. Karasum the Tasia Ragadi, Samasida. Other toll of the Sumlo with the Milar, Vola, which how we do that the Aya, the Mauru Yamsuba. Whenever CMG advice Makata, State Hazu Pisigishu, Sapsaba Darkar level, Longani, Madu Aiki Daitan. As a flower Amuguna, Nakwin Takivan, Nakwin in the door. I am the pang with evening. I do not know never. I don't know any sincerity doing what, no any punctuality doing what. I get have no in a doom.
Bharatiya Modern Army BMA's 43rd Tiranga Yatra was held today. A rally participated by BMA National President Dr. Rajiv Ahuja flagged off from MMTA Complex, Minuthong, till Kumanlampak Multipurpose Indoor Stadium as part of the observance. Speaking to media, Rajiv Ahuja asserted that BMA is not a political party but an organization established with an aim to promote unity and harmony in the country. He maintained that BMA supports Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his unique visions and perspective. Vice Chairperson of Manipur State Disaster Management Authority Adim Pamay lauded BMA for its initiatives of bringing together various communities. Tiranga Yatra was also observed yesterday in Senapati district.
As I told you in the before started, so this we are doing to express our things to the people that we all over the country we are doing it, and we are doing in most of those parts where people are not aware of our patriotism, where people are people don't love their country. I don't want to say that Manipur people don't love their country, but because this is the first time here we want to do the awareness that India is a beautiful country. We should love our country. We are here for expressing our thoughts and love and brotherhood.
Unity and brotherhood ki khongchat ni akoina chaliba se tongan ba state ki ada lerabsu Bharat amatagi masani haibagi aduga karamai tawraga akhoi gi leader Honorable Prime Minister sibu karamhaina protect tawgani karamhaina akhoina lingna magi army ma oiraga a good captain oina akhoina karamhaina leigani a good soldier oina karamhaina leigani haibagi ideology se akhoi Manipur sidasu iramdam sidasu akhoi gi president la aga ngasi si haudokpa gi thabak oina akhoi si jatra oiraga chatpani.
Blankets and 100 rupees monthly pension were presented to 12 aged persons and 4 differently abled persons of Pishum Oinam Lekai in memory of late Khoishnam Koba, who once served as a hawker delivering newspaper in every nook and corner of Manipur. His son Khoishnam Tokyo also presented 3,000 rupees to all Manipur newspaper distributors during the event held at his residence in the locality. MLA Office Moirang organized a free LPG connection distribution under Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana scheme in collaboration with Maibia Gas Agency at Koyol Market in Moirang today. MLA Moirang P. Sarachandra and Moirang Municipal Council Chairperson M. Romibala jointly distributed free LPG connection to 300 beneficiaries of Moirang constituency and 7 beneficiaries from Khoirentag in Chorachandpur district. Now the sports news. Shanghai Invitational Tennis Championship matches for under 10 boys and girls, under 12 girls and under 14 boys commenced today at IDTA Tennis Complex in Lamphel-Pat. In the first best of 7 match played today for under 10 girls category, Manjushri beat Anika 4-1, while in the first match of under 15 girls best of 9, Pooja defeated Ava 5-1 and Anamaya thrashed Bubbly 5-1. 5 players in under 10 girls category, 6 in under 10 boys, 7 in under 12 girls and 7 players in under 14 boys category are competing in the tennis championship organized by Imphal District Tennis Association under the aegis of Manipur Tennis Association. Subsequent matches will be played tomorrow. MLA Moirang P. Sarachandra has kicked off a 4-day youth adventure and water sports festival at the boating area of Loktak Lake Tourism Development Cooperative Society Limited today. The festival is organized by MMTA Bishnupur branch as a part of Shanghai Festival. Chairman of Planning and Development Authority Manipur T. Robindro, leaders of MMTA Manipur, eminent persons of the state and many people coming from various places attended the inaugural event. Traditional dance, trolling, canoeing and kayaking and rowing sports highlighted the opening day today. England Polo Team and India Polo Team B Manipur beat their opponents in the 12th Manipur Polo International at Imphal Polo Ground today. In the 4th league match, England Polo Team defeated Uruguay Polo Team 3-1. Players of England Polo Team Henry Amo, George Amo and Ben Ile scored 1 goal each, and the lone goal of Uruguay Polo Team was scored by John Fernandez. In the 5th league match, India Team B Manipur's players Leshem Batakelambam scored 5 goals, T.H. Jacob scored 4 goals, T.H. Kauba and P. Ojit scored 3 goals each, and S. Bimol scored 2 goals to thrash India Polo Team A 17-0. 5 teams of USA, England, Uruguay, India Team A and India Team B Manipur are competing in the International Polo Tournament organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. India Polo Team A will take on England Polo Team in the first match, and USA Polo Team will compete India Polo Team B Manipur in the second match tomorrow. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipuri boxer MC Marikom thumbs Ukraine's Hanna Okota to win Women's World Boxing Championship title for an unprecedented 6th time. Scuffles break out at Indo-Myanmar border village Holenphai as massive Myanmar army tried to halt the construction of a house in the village. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit flags off bike rally to Myanmar as part of ongoing Manipur Shanghai Festival 2018. Two-day international friendly football exhibition match between Manipur and Myanmar will begin at Kumalampak Main Stadium tomorrow. Minister Karam Sham inaugurates essential oil distillation plant, vermicomposting unit and liquid deodorant transfer technology at CSIR NEIST Lamphel-Pat.